I should do this then.
Yeah, you should do that. Oh! Holy shit.
Woo!
Ooh!
Ah!
Goddamn phone.
It's fucking Oscar in there.
Hello? What? Okay. Just hang up.
It's Oscar?
Yeah. Love you, Ariel.
I love you too. Can I sit down? I almost fell. Oh, itchy, itchy. Boom.
Boom.
Boosh.
Boosh.
I could record 23 more minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
That was really fucking loud. Holy fuck.
I want to videotape at least a finale.
Holy fuck. Shit. Whoa.
Now the text message.
Okay.
Fuck the text message, just watch the fucking fire. The finale.
Fuck.
That was loud. Look, it's a willow tree. Have you ever seen those?
Yeah.
Those are so tight.
What power? White power.
Are they done? I don't know. I don't know.
They're always tricky with these sorts of things.
Motherfuckers better not trick us. Dude.
Maybe it is the end.
Yeah.